How do I use Amazon FBA? To use Amazon FBA Fulfillment by Amazon, start by creating a seller account on Amazon and enrolling in the FBA program. Once registered, list the products you want to sell and choose the FBA option, so Amazon can handle storage, packaging, and shipping for you. Next, prepare your inventory according to Amazon's labeling and packaging requirements before sending it to one of Amazon's fulfillment centers. Once your products arrive, Amazon takes over the logistics process for every order you receive. After setup, Amazon stores your items securely in its warehouses. When a customer places an order, Amazon automatically picks, packs, and ships the product directly to the buyer. The service also includes customer service and return handling, which helps sellers save time and focus on scaling their business. FBA ensures fast delivery through Amazon Prime, which often increases sales due to higher buyer trust and faster shipping times. To manage your FBA performance effectively, use Amazon Seller Central to track sales, monitor inventory, and analyze customer feedback. You can also use tools to forecast demand, plan restocks, and identify your most profitable products. Maintaining healthy inventory levels and optimizing your listings with quality images and keywords will help your products rank higher and sell faster. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your Amazon FBA business like a pro.